Hello Jim, Tech Bus new product in, it's from Ecoviva and it's a countertop reverse osmosis system. So it's got filtration, you plug and play, and 3-in-1 pure to drain. So we're going to unbox it. It's a big box, so I'm just going to do as best I can here to show you. So we've got this guy first, we've got this guy next, and next up we've got the plug, which is the US plug, it's from the US, and I'm going to just pop it out of the box first of all. Drop it here and we can get a closer look. So what I'll do is I'll take off all this stuff here, and that's it there. So I'm going to pop it up on the desk next and we'll get a closer look. Okay, so it's now up on the desk before we get it set up, just to give you a walkthrough of what we've got here. So we've got a tray which is a magnet, which I think is cool. Will stick on there and you'll pop in whatever bottle you might have here, or whatever the case it may be. Up on top is where your filter is. So up here you have this guy to turn, a big tool, and you lock it and unlock it. So that's the filter there. I'll just pop it out and show you. I'll just move this out of the way and move this forward. This big guy fits inside, and basically up on top there's a hole in there and it locks into place with that tool that comes with it. So I'm just going to pop that back in. And we will lock it with this hefty tool. That keeps it down. And there's a cap up on top. You just screw in. Now up front you can see here there's loads of lights, but we'll show you around the back first. And you've got a tank on the back. This lid will pop off. So you've got medium, 2 litre, 3 litre, and up to max, which is probably 4 litres I'd say. And there's a handle on this as well. And if I pull this down, you can just see inside there. So it just pops off like that for filling or refilling. Nice and handy. Just pop that back in and pop the lid back on. That's it at the back. So if I plug it in, I'll just give you a quick look at the lights first before we set it up and test it. It'll probably take about half an hour to run it through and see what's going on. So you can see all the different lights here up front, and they all represent something there. So we'll have to go through all them and show you what the story is. So you've got, if I just get a bit more light, up front, 100 degree boiling, 500ml, 300ml, 150ml lock, normal temperature, formula, tea and coffee and boiling. So you can have hot and cold water, whatever the case may be, and that's it. So what we're going to do is set it up, get it running, let you know what it's like, and you can see then what you think about yourself after the break. So stay tuned for that. So what are you getting here? You're getting a 6-in-1 composite filtration and ultraviolet system to keep your water clean, and it's ideal for apartments and offices and so on, and give you really nice clean water no matter where you go. Multi-temperature pure water delight. You have several different options for baby bottles as well, which is excellent. Cold water for tea and boiling water, and of course you've got your clean water 6-in-1, and that will give you ultimate clean water, which is what you want. Low maintenance as well, which is excellent. Smart control and easy to use with touch buttons on the front, and not difficult to use. No app required, and you've got high efficiency with a 3-in-1 pure to drain ratio, which is excellent. Now on some more video. Okay, so once you got this set up, after you've read all that and took all that in, you've got your display panel up here, which you can see, which is all touch base. You got a lock here. Your output volume, so you've got 300, 150, 300, 500. Then you've got the temperature for water, so you've got 100, tea and coffee 85, formula for baby bottles, which is excellent, and normal temperature, which is cold water, which is actually quite nice and fresh when you drink it. A lot better than what you get from the tap, especially in Ireland. That's basically the long and short of there. You just plug it in, then you select which mode that you want, and then you can drain the tank then to clean it. And to do that, you'll press and hold the 150mm key for 5 seconds, and along the beep of the buzzer will activate the pure drain tank. This is to keep it clean, which is of course what you want to do. You've also got a UV function status, which is sterilizing. So I'm just going to press this here. You'll see this up here, and you've got your TDS down here, so that's the output, and you've got work that popped up there earlier, which is pure water producing status, which means it's clean and so on, and you've got your filter reminder that will be up on top when it pops up. So that's just basically how it's going to work. So you pop in your cup like so, or whatever you're going to have. So you've got normal temp and boiling. So you'll press this here, and you'll see you've got UV, ppm and TDS there. Press normal, water pops out like so. You can see that the work has popped on here. You have tea and coffee, and then you've got boiling. So the choice is yours, whatever you want. That's all you really have to do, is just let it set up and run. Of course, you can change your cup size over here on the right hand side, which is quite handy. And that's basically all there is to it, really. It's not too technically challenging to use. It's simple. You just leave it there, do its job, clean the tank regularly there, and job will be done. So you can see there, just again, 500, 300, 150, your trial lock there, normal, 45, tea and coffee, and boiling. So if you want your tea and coffee, you'll press this here, and it'll beep. And then you've got your 45, normal, and 100 degrees boiling there. So that's basically all there is to it. And you can enjoy a nice cup of tea after that then if you want it to be hot. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. And don't forget, it comes in these two colours. Check the links below for more. See you in the next video. Thanks again.